Hello everybody, hope you're all well today. 50 days, who would have thought? Pretty crazy. So 50 days to go, 50 days down, 100 days of salad. There'll be a couple of extras in there because we're adding in like bonus days. So the first one was the lasagna, the next one's actually going to be like a Popeyes chicken burger. So it's basically my cheat day, which I'm just kind of throwing in there. But today's salad, which is usually my favorites, are the fruit salads. So this is a plum and raspberry salad, plum and raspberries on a base of spinach. We're going to put some white cheddar in there. We're going to put some pomegranate seeds in there with some pine nuts on top with some mint, all with some balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. And now basically this works because of the cheddar is like a salty richness that basically adds into the sweetness of the plums and the raspberries. I think also the raspberries are quite early season, so they might be a little bit tart, which should be good. And then again, you've got the richness in the pine nuts, which is also going to cut through that as well. The mint, I'm not sure what that is exactly going to do, but I'm guessing as an extra level of flavor, that should be nice. But enough talking, let's get straight into it.